Hi, my name is David Saylor with Mimaki USA, and today we're discussing a common retail challenge. One major issue with storefronts, whether in malls or along the street, is that signs are often placed above the door, out of sight for many passers-by. That means that potential customers might walk right past without ever knowing what the store sells. In this case, there isn't much room for a traditional window display, but that doesn't mean we can't use the window itself to convey the message. Let's talk about the best media for this application. Lintec has developed an innovative new product made from 100% recycled materials. It's the Eco 2100 ZC. This product is UV LED inkjet printable and offers true optical clarity. For this project, we kept the design simple, just enough to highlight the retailer's product while using the store's natural light to our advantage. The result? A bright, eye-catching window graphic that grabs attention and pulls people in. Our goal was to create signage that looks just as impressive from the inside as it does from the outside. To do that, we used a color, white, color, 3-layer print. This method ensures vibrant graphics that are visible from both directions, inside and out. And to make it all happen, we used the Mimaki UCJV330, a revolutionary printer that can produce all 3 layers in a single pass. That means no time-consuming pullbacks or lengthy drying cycles like you would have with latex printers. Now, installing Lintec polyester films is a breeze. For a full step-by-step guide on installing clear polyester Lintec window films, check out our detailed video on YouTube at PG Sign Video. And if you're looking to take your signage game to the next level, don't forget to subscribe at PG Sign Video, the sign and graphics channel that gives you more and shows you how.